Welcome to Homes Decor Designs, your destination for sophisticated home and outdoor living inspiration. Today, we delve into the transformative power of outdoor fireplaces for decks for cozy and inviting outdoor living space. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. This architectural feature extends the usability of your outdoor space, creating a focal point for gatherings and relaxation. Let us explore the fundamental aspects of integrating a fireplace into your deck design. Firstly, we must address the question: what is the meaning of an outdoor fireplace for decks? Essentially, it is a constructed fire feature, designed to be integrated into the structure of a deck. This can range from prefabricated units to custom-built structures, using materials such as brick, stone, concrete, or metal. The purpose is to provide warmth, ambience, and a visual centerpiece for your outdoor living area. It creates a defined space for entertainment and relaxation, effectively blurring the lines between indoor and outdoor living. The key is to ensure the design complements the existing architecture of your home and deck, while adhering to all safety regulations. Next, let us consider: what are the benefits of having an outdoor fireplace for decks? The advantages are numerous. Primarily, it extends the functionality of your deck into cooler months, allowing for year-round enjoyment. It provides a natural gathering point for social events, enhancing the entertainment value of your home. A well-designed fireplace can significantly increase property value by adding a desirable architectural feature. Moreover, it creates a cozy and inviting atmosphere, perfect for relaxation and unwinding. The warmth and visual appeal of a fire can transform a simple deck into a luxurious outdoor retreat. Additionally, it offers a focal point for outdoor cooking, with options for grills and pizza ovens integrated into the design. Lastly, it provides a sense of permanence and structure, adding a sophisticated touch to your outdoor space. Now, we must address: how do I decorate my outdoor fireplace for decks to look good? Decoration is paramount in creating an inviting atmosphere. Begin by selecting materials that complement your home's exterior. Consider the surrounding landscape and integrate natural elements. Incorporate comfortable seating arrangements, such as weather-resistant sofas and chairs, placed strategically around the fireplace. Add outdoor rugs to define the space and provide a touch of warmth underfoot. Use outdoor lighting to enhance the ambience, focusing on soft, warm tones. Introduce plants and greenery to soften the hardscape and add a natural touch. Consider adding a mantle for decorative items, such as candles, vases, or artwork. Integrate storage solutions for firewood and outdoor accessories. Finally, ensure the decoration reflects your personal style and creates a cohesive look with your overall home design. Finally, we turn to: what are the best items for outdoor fireplaces for decks? The selection of items should enhance both functionality and aesthetics. Consider the following items to add to your decks. First, weather-resistant seating. Durable outdoor sofas, armchairs, and benches designed to withstand the elements. Second, outdoor rugs. Rugs made from materials like polypropylene or outdoor-treated wool to define the space and add comfort. Third, fireplace tools. A set of high-quality fireplace tools, including a poker, tongs, and shovel, for safe and efficient fire management. Fourth, firewood storage. A stylish and practical firewood rack or storage unit to keep fuel organized and accessible. Fifth, outdoor lighting. String lights, lanterns, and pathway lights to create a warm and inviting ambience. Sixth, decorative pillows and throws. Weather-resistant pillows and throws to add comfort and style to seating areas. Seventh, planters and greenery. Potted plants, shrubs, and small trees to soften the hardscape and add a natural touch. Eighth, outdoor speakers. Integrated audio systems for background music and entertainment. Ninth, grilling accessories. If your fireplace includes a grill, invest in high-quality grilling tools and accessories. 10th, outdoor curtains or screens. For privacy and protection from the elements, consider adding outdoor curtains or screens. And to complete your inspiration and spark your creativity, let's explore 10 distinct outdoor fireplace for deck ideas that can transform your space. 1. Stone-clad fireplace with integrated seating. A robust stone fireplace with built-in seating creates a cohesive and inviting space. The stone provides a natural, rustic aesthetic, while the integrated seating maximizes space and encourages social interaction. 2. Modern metal fireplace with glass enclosure. A sleek, contemporary metal fireplace with a glass enclosure offers a clean and minimalist look. The glass provides a clear view of the flames while ensuring safety. 3. Brick fireplace with raised hearth. A classic brick fireplace with a raised hearth provides a traditional and timeless appeal. The raised hearth offers additional seating and a focal point for the space. 4. Concrete fireplace with built-in wood storage. A modern concrete fireplace with integrated wood storage combines functionality with a contemporary aesthetic. The concrete provides a durable and low-maintenance option. 5. Double-sided fireplace. A fireplace that can be enjoyed from both the deck and the interior of the home. This creates a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor spaces. 6. Fireplace with pizza oven integration. A multifunctional fireplace that includes a built-in pizza oven for outdoor cooking and entertaining. This design is perfect for those who enjoy culinary experiences. 7. Fireplace with water feature combination. Combining the warmth of a fireplace with the soothing sound of a water feature creates a tranquil and relaxing atmosphere. 8. Portable fireplace units. For flexibility, portable propane or bioethanol fireplaces offer easy placement and movement. These are ideal for smaller decks or those seeking temporary fire features. 9. Fireplace with pergola integration. Integrating a fireplace with a pergola provides shade and structure, enhancing the functionality and aesthetics of the deck. 10. Fireplace with LED lighting accents. Incorporating LED lighting within and around the fireplace enhances its visual appeal and creates a dramatic nighttime ambience. These ideas serve as a starting point for creating a personalized outdoor fireplace that reflects your style and needs. An outdoor fireplace for your deck is a valuable addition that enhances both the aesthetic and functional aspects of your outdoor living space. By carefully considering the design, materials, and decoration, you can create a truly exceptional retreat. Remember, safety is paramount, so always adhere to local building codes and regulations. If you found this information valuable, please like and subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more expert insights on home decor and design. Thank you for watching. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.